Half-centuries from Shimron Hetmyer, Kieran Powell and Vishal Singh highlighted a strong batting performance for the West Indies Cricket Board's President's 11, who closed day one of their three-day practice game against Pakistan on 311 for 5, this at the Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium. Hetmyer, the winning West Indies under-19 captain, led the scoring with an aggressive knock of 97 from 115 balls. Singh, 81 not out, and Powell, 58, also had meaningful contributions. Captain Jamar Hamilton also scored 26, while Raymond Reefer is at the crease on 36. Mohammad Amir has taken 2 for 45, and there's a wicket each for Mohammad Asghar and Yazir Shaw. And Justin Greaves' maiden first-class century derailed the Jamaica Scorpions' bowling charge as hosts Barbados Pride recovered from a 74 for 5 at lunch to close day one of their 10th round regional 4-day Pro League match at the Kensington Oval on 297 for 6. Greaves reached the close unbeaten on 104, with Ashley Nurse at the other end on 33 not out. And there were also good knocks from Kyle Corbin, 51, and Kenroy Williams, 82. This against pacer Derval Green, 2 for 36, and spinner Dennis Belay, 2 for 86. Meanwhile, leaders Guyana Jaguars hold the upper hand at stumps in their contest against the Windward Islands Volcanoes at Providence. The Volcanoes batting first were restricted to 95 all out thanks to Kemo Paul's maiden first-class 5-wicket haul. In reply, opener Asad Fudadin, unbeaten on 113, has seen the Jaguars to the close at 210 for 2. And that's the lead of 115. Chandra Paul Hemraj also chipped in with a 54, while Rajendra Chandrika scored 35. And in the match between the Leeward Islands Hurricanes and the Trinidad and Tobago Red Force, the TNT franchise got to 269 for 6 when play was called, with Yannick Carrera at the crease on 73, Amir Jagu 46, Isaiah Raja 45, and Akil Cooper 41 also got starts, as 6 bowlers including Jamaica's Nkrumah Bonner 1 for 1 had a wicket for the Hurricanes.